As we unbox the Holo 360 displayer 3D hologram, show you how nicely they come packaged. Protected by foam. Opening up, we have here's a controller. Please remove the plastic battery film. Inside is a 2025 battery. Instructions on how to replace in white on white. These are the controls with the on, mute, off, plus negative mode, previous, forward, Bluetooth, recycle in the 1 and N, a pause, a play, a brightness up and brightness down, the 5D Holo. The application for opening up the product is 5D HOLO. As we remove the foam from the top of the unit, protected in a plastic wrap, is your Missyou 360-degree hollow air display with the USB charging cable and instruction guide in 2 languages. Carefully go over the instructions. A power rating of 10 watts, input voltage of 5 volts, up to 3 amps is to be used. It has a TF card slot for music and a USB output to charge your phone and other devices. Underneath the unit will be a QR sticker. This is a test unit, and you have a speaker and a baffle on the bottom of the unit. A close-up look of showing you the baffle speakers, the USB ports, and more. Our test sample. It is important for us to follow the instructions to set up. Download the 5D Holo application utility and open up. As the application opens, turn on the unit, 5 volt up to 2 amps. The unit has audible, a voice. We have a Bluetooth to connect and Wi-Fi to connect. Allow. Choose for notification. Connect Wi-Fi by pressing and connect Wi-Fi, opening up while using the app local network. Back out, open up Bluetooth and connect the 360 Holo by pressing connect. Back out, open up Wi-Fi and connect to the 3D serial number. No passwords are needed, and follow the instructions. Close the application down and open up 5D Holo. On this screen, we show again connect Wi-Fi. This is the main screen. We have on top F1 while in development 360 Holo air display. Carefully press on the upper left. If not, reconnect to the Wi-Fi and follow the instructions once again. Open up your Wi-Fi, close out, reopen 5D Holo, and press on F1. You'll see no files, and in all the images, this is 03 flower. We can pause the information. We could play the 05 BUTT-1 butterfly. We put in 05 name, which is a 3D text. If we need to delete off, simply swipe over, hit delete, and the name is deleted. Please be careful of deleting inside images, as you will no longer be able to retrieve. 04 image may be deleted. We are going to show you how to add an image in, if allowed. Hitting the plus, phone video album, allow full access, recents, 2 videos, up to 50.
Meet the Extra Gimbal Cam, a pocket-sized powerhouse built for silky, smooth shots. A stabilized 3-axis head keeps the wide glass lens level no matter how you move, while the bright touchscreen doubles as a viewfinder.
Meet the Extra Gimbal Cam,
up to 15 seconds of a black-only image background. is allowed. White backgrounds will not play. Put a name to it by pressing on the name. This is known as a Muse, M-U-S-E. Hit done, confirm, converting, uploading, conversion successful. It'll play in the circle radius, the image. The image is updating at 6% plus to 100% and will return at 100%. As the image is loaded, the green circles will increase to the top and when gone, fully completed. MP4, AVI, MOV, GIF, JPEG, PNG are allowed. Playback are converted to BIN, a viewing angle of 360 degrees. Any audible sound is allowed, as well as music in the TF SDXC card slot and powering your phone via the USB-A slot. As we are near completion, we can display any type of product for showcasing and place anywhere imaginable for expos, hobbies, showing off your games and your personal aviators and more, your artwork. As we are near 100%, the image is completed. Please make sure that the proper JPEG and movie size is allowed for the unit to play. Again, to delete is simply swiping over and hitting delete. On the bottom, we have a repeat. We have here is these pencil marks. So we can do a 3D text ball, 3D box, marquee, 360 text, and gallery. We can add up to 6 different images. In 360 text, we could say, welcome to anything you want to put in there. Single line, double line, or more. You could delete a line or add a line. When happy with the text, hit the floppy disk for exporting. Put a name to it. Hit the back arrow, hit the plus, hit the local media, pinch and zoom to fit the area, convert and upload with the name. Conversion successful in .bin and loading up to the unit up to 100%. We have the 3 lines to select media source, local, phone image, or phone. We have a photo to take a photo, access your camera, your microphone. Long press for video, short press for photo. We have a file system where your local media is in, and you could delete off by hitting the trash can. And then the plus that we could go into local media, photo album, and photo video album. To get into the 1,500 images of the gallery, the unit must be in the off state to get into the media of the gallery. Open up the gallery, and we have a couple of images by hitting the play button. More images will be added on at a later time. Missyou makes more than just a 360-degree holo display. They make from small machines to large machines, display cases, and more. The Missyou 360 Holo. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for to showcase your artwork in a 360-degree form. It is a Bluetooth speaker, music TF SD card slot of putting your own music in. Optional cables are needed for charging your smartphone. Playing in music, an optional SD card is required. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.